Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. I love big, bold volume lashes, but I wasn't born with them. If you want the look but without the hassle, I'm going to show you today how to apply magnetic lashes and liner. And I'm going to show you some tips and tricks for success. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Let's get started. To apply magnetic lashes, measure your lashes to your unique eye shape and length. Then trim your lashes to fit your unique eye. Apply liner from inner corner to outer corner and let it dry. If you don't let it dry, you won't get a good grip with your magnetic lashes. Using an applicator or your fingers, press the lashes firmly onto the liner. If it's not sticking, you may need another coat of liner or your line needs to be thicker. Pay attention to the corners to make them secure. If your liner isn't the shape that you want, you can use a Q-tip to clear up any smudge lines. If your lashes aren't even or you don't like the placement, just pull them off at one of the corners and pull straight across. Then just reapply. Here are a few tips for success. Before you go out and buy magnetic lashes, you first need to pick your style, whether it's natural, classic, or volume. Next, make sure you pick the right liner. I do not recommend magnetic liner pots. It's not smooth like traditional liners, and it goes on clumpy and dries out way too fast. Plus, the applicator must be cleaned after each use. Instead, choose a magnetic liquid liner. The liquid liner goes on smoother, doesn't dry out, and the brush keeps its shape and it's consistent each time. Also, look for lashes that have several magnets. This will ensure a better grip. Lastly, not all kits are the same. I went through several kits before I found one that actually stayed on all day. The kit I like is from EYESHADOW. I liked EYESHADOW because it came with 2 liquid liners, several magnetic lashes with different styles, and an applicator. I was impressed at how long they lasted throughout the day, even the corners. To take off magnetic lashes, just pour micellar water or eye makeup remover on a Q-tip and swipe across your lash line. Then grab one of the corners and pull straight across. That's it. Make sure you do your research, read reviews, and get recommendations so you can find the right kit. Magnetic lashes are so much easier than lashes and glue and will give you the bold look you're looking for without the hassle. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.